It's amazing how much a computer password can unlock. It's like the open sesame to your entire life. But some passwords, like Open Sesame, are a little too simple, which means thieves can guess them. Most of us now know not to use the most familiar passwords out there. And most of us know you can add symbols or numbers to make them harder to guess. The trouble is, attackers don't just guess passwords, they use computer programs to guess passwords for them. And they can guess millions of passwords a second. The truth is that as humans, we're too predictable, even when we're trying not to be. Inventing a truly random password takes a non-human mind. So, how do you choose a super random password without the help of a robot that you'll actually be able to remember? Get an ordinary 6-sided die and search for Diceware word list on the web. The Diceware word list has 7,776 words on it. Throw your die 5 times and write down each number you get side by side. So if you throw a 4, a 3, a 5, a 1, and a 6, you get the number 43516. Look up the word next to the number 43516, Nico, and that's the first word in your new random password. Do this 5 more times until you have 6 words. That's your password. You can stick spaces between the words or add special characters if you want, but you don't have to. That password should be random enough to protect most treasures from an automatic password cracker. Computer security experts say that as of now, passwords made from 6 random Diceware words will be extremely hard to guess, except by large organizations with big budgets, like the NSA or other spy agencies. Use 7 words and you'll be even safer. But remember to keep your strong password secret. You can use Diceware passwords to create something strong and memorable. Use them to lock your computer or for your password manager, but don't use the same password everywhere. Find out more about managing multiple passwords in our other animations and at Surveillance Self-Defense, the Electronic Frontier Foundation, and thanks to A.G. Reinhold, creator of the Diceware list.